Hey guys, okay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Eternity Monet. I am going to be doing a hair video today, guys. So pretty much I got a lot of products. The main products I'm going to be using today are going to be the Ete product collection, along with the Miel rice water. This is Split In Therapy collection. I'm not being sponsored for any of this. I just found these products at the store. I recently, if you don't know, got my hair colored, and so I just wanted to make sure I got enough products and enough things so that when I'm at home, I can make sure I'm taking care of it, because I'm not really a go to the hairdresser type of person, especially with COVID nowadays. So I am just going to show you guys what I'm going to do to, get my everyday curl look that I typically have. I'm basically doing this video because I always get asked, like, how do you get your curls like that? What did you put in your hair to get those curls? What did you do to your hair? Did you do this? Did you do that? So I'm just going to show you guys what I do. I'm going to literally take you guys step through step with what I'm going to do today to produce whatever my curls come out to look like today. I don't know what they're going to look like today. They look different every time I do them. Like, one day they can look like this, the next day they can look like this. When they're wet, they look one way. When they're dry, they look another way. So you guys are just going to go along with me on this journey. I have a lot of products, like a wide range of products that I just recently bought, with my own money. But, it's not the point, because I have anything to take care of my hair at home. I'm going to spend the money regardless going to the salon. So I might as well, make sure that I'm making extra sure that it's taken care of at home, so when I do go to the salon, they're not like, and then my hair is like this short because I didn't take care of it when I got it colored. So I've been putting this in for quite some time. It smells really good. It's supposed to be for split ends, which my hair does tend to do, so that's why I got this to help with that. Just giving it a little shake. You guys are wondering what this looks like. So you don't get a lot in your first squeeze. This is all it really gave me. It's a wash day along with a treatment day. So I'm just gonna rub this in and work it all the way through, bottom to top, right at the roots, and then going down the hair shaft. I'm using my phone, the whole screen to help guide me, because there's no mirror in here or anything like that. Also got a new brush. Excuse me, blush me. It's the Con Air. This is a detangling brush for curly hair and whatnot. I'm excited to use that. So my hair has to be damped. So I'm going to use this spray bottle in order to put in the Caramel Deep Reconstructing Treatment, enriched with bananas for natural, relaxed, and color treated hair. And as you can see, got some color going on here. So we're going to go ahead and use this. But first I'm going to wet my hair, because that's what it says you need to do first. It says it's supposed to be damp. So I'm not going to put, buku on. Just a little spritzy spritz. I can see the curls coming out already. So after I put this stuff on, it says to wrap your hair up in a that's right. Y'all see that? Let it come out a little bit. It doesn't smell bad. I saw a lot of videos about this a while back, and I didn't need it because I was using the Olaplex at the time, and I do highly recommend Olaplex after you get your hair colored, or just period, because it worked great for my hair. I loved it. My hair loved it. It's crazy. My hair is a little wet, but still did not kind of straight. But anyways, so I'm going to pretty much just put this all over, and then I'm gonna leave it in for an hour underneath. I ran out of plastic shower cap, so I'm just gonna use this bag I got from HEB. You know what I'm saying? Wrap my hair up and chill out. Probably watch a movie for an hour. So let's go. Ooh, y'all see that? So I like to put, you know, practically a lot on my hair. It doesn't really have like, oh my. If this is what caramel really feels like, it does feel that way. Let's see, I'm just going to, I guess this. Oh wow, this is very interesting. Don't know if I'm doing this right. Maybe I should wet my hair some more. So here I'm pretty much getting my hair wet. Now I will go ahead and say that in the beginning I didn't wet my hair as much as I should have before I put this stuff on there. So it didn't really go on the way that it was supposed to. But as you can see, eventually I do add a little more water so that I can, you know, get the product on there. I was showing you guys my hands to show you that the color is staying in, so it's not like taking the color out or anything. And I'm trying to put some more in, but as you can see, my hair is just really not as wet as it's supposed to be. It should have said that you need to go ahead and just pre-wet your hair and not have damp hair for this, because damp hair is just not enough. I mean, it wasn't enough for me. I feel like if you have thick hair, it's not enough, period. Like, you just need more water. Like, yes, let me get that hydration going on. Put all that H2O on my hair. I should have put more. I should have really, like, turned on the water in the shower and then like got my hair super wet, like doused in the water, and then started putting this on. But you know, trial and error. This is my first time using this product, so I can only do what I can do. But as y'all can see, I'm just finishing up, trying to make sure I'm smoothing on the ends and just wrapping it up into a little bun. And then putting my little HEB. Yep, I said it, HEB. If you're from Texas, you know, or down south, you know, HEB. Go ahead and put my little bag on. Boop, boop, boop. Put the little pieces in. Set my timer. Y'all won't be able to hear it until she actually goes off. But there is my timer for an hour. I will be back. Y'all can see. I got all my hair all in. Ooh. Got my shower right here. So when I come back, I'm gonna, like, y'all gonna see me take my shower, like, not take my shower, but you're gonna see me wash my hair out with the stuff. And then we're gonna go in with the, I'm showing you guys now because I won't be able to show you when I get in the shower. But it's gonna be the Ete Deep Penetrating Treatment Shampoo. My hand's really sticky, so please just bear with me, guys. Anyways, it's going to be the Deep Penetrating Shampoo. I don't know why the bottle it looks like this. Both of the bottles actually look kind of warped. I got these from my local beauty supply store, the one I always go to. I live in Houston. But it says it's enriched with 20 natural ingredients, including flaxseed and milk/egg protein. All of this is for natural, relaxed, or color treated hair. So that's the main reason why I got it. It's supposed to be like some of the best stuff to help my hair. So I am going to wait for Alexa to tell me when my hour is up, and I'll be back on here to talk to you guys so we can wash this stuff out. And then I'm going to follow up with what I do as far as my, you know, my cup, my, as they call it, what is it called? Wash and go with that. So I'll be back. So here, as y'all can see, I sped through the whole entire process of me being in the shower and whatnot. This is my brush, the shampoo, and the conditioner. I'm putting it out so I can have easier access to it. And I was just showing y'all the bag to show y'all that still none of the color came out of my hair. So right now I'm just rinsing out the you know, what would you call that stuff? I guess reconstructing treatment. I'm rinsing that off thoroughly at that. You have to make sure you get it all out, and to make sure I'm getting it all the way out of my hair, I'm brushing through my hair, starting at the ends and working my way up to make sure that I have completely detangled it, so when I put the shampoo in, it goes in a lot smoother. Now, this part is really important. I feel like some people don't really take the time out when they do their hair at home to make sure they're fully detangling it, but I like to just make sure I take the extra time. So here is the shampoo, and I'm going to do the shampooing twice. If you can see, I am paying close attention to my scalp. That is the real only part you want to put shampoo on. You want to make sure that you're completely, I like to saturate my scalp honestly with the shampoo, just because I want to make sure I'm getting all of that buildup from the time that I haven't washed it out. Ignore me turning up to Ariana Grande, switching up positions for you. That's the jam. But anyways, so I had to put a little extra more, and I did just take it down to her shaft and make sure I did get the ends and whatnot, because I want to make sure and I'm getting it. But you honestly don't have to put any shampoo on the ends of your hair, like the hair shaft. You really only need to put it on the scalp. I mainly put it on there because I'm gonna brush through it. As you can see, I'm detangling it. Again, you got to make sure you detangle. I detangle really throughout this entire process multiple times, because I feel like that's what really helps define my curls when I'm washing it from my washing gum. I feel like if I don't detangle it, then it's not gonna come out right. So right here, I'm just flipping my hair to the front, making sure I'm still scrubbing the scalp and whatnot, making sure I'm just getting all of that stuff out of there, rinsing out the brush so I can go ahead and rinse out all this shampoo. Again, as y'all can see, once the hair like the scalp starts to rinse off, like the water and the shampoo falls down the shaft of the hair. So you don't have to really like make surely sure that you're like washing the shaft, because eventually it's gonna get washed regardless. But like I said, I like to put a little on when I'm detangling, just to make sure that it's all getting detangled out properly. And I'm just pretty much rinsing out all of my hair right now, and then I'm gonna go back in with that shampoo. Now I don't have a mirror or anything in this shower with me, y'all, so I'm pretty much just like feeling and going through. That's me showing y'all how it looks after the first wash, and my hair is still a little itchy. I don't know if I have like naturally itchy hair or scalp or whatever, but my head still be itching even after I get it washed and stuff. So but I've checked it out and it don't be dirty. So I don't know. That's besides the point though. So as y'all can see, I'm going in again, making sure I'm getting that extra. I be trying to do the little salon scrub, like how they be scrubbing it in the salon. Y'all see I'm finger detangling it, but my nails. So I decided, let me go ahead and get this brush. I bought this brush for a reason, so I could get through all these little curls without me having to mess up my hair, my nails. So here I am just doing that again, detangling. Like I said, y'all, detangling is like a big part, and that's the main thing I kind of focused on this time around, was just detangling it with the the shampoo. And so here I am just rinsing it all out. Yes, I need to make sure I get all that shampoo out, because the final move is going to be that conditioner back there behind me. So as y'all can see, I'm just rinsing it out, trying to make sure I get all of the shampoo out so that nothing is left behind. Because at the end, I'm going to make sure I do the same thing all over again. Now, like I said, shampoo is really hard to make sure it gets all the way out. So I have to make sure I'm going over it multiple times just to be sure that it's getting all the way out of my hair. Because with curls, sometimes shampoos tends to like stay in between curls, or I'll just feel like the studs. So here's the conditioner. I like to put a significant amount on, and I thought I saw something in it, so I started picking through it, because I was like, what the heck is that? I don't want that in my hair. I thought I just clinked it. It might make my hair
itchy again. But I got it all out for the most part. I think I realized that was like probably the bananas and stuff that it said that it has in there. But as y'all can see, I'm just putting it all over my hair, mainly just the shaft. Now with the conditioner, you want to just put it on the shaft of the hair. You don't want to really put it on your scalp because it can create buildup. At least that's what I believe. I think somebody told me that, or I read it somewhere, or something like that. And then you want to make sure you detangle. Yes, when you detangle with that conditioner, it's going to be so much more easier because the hair just literally slips through. And after I finish detangling it, I am literally just going to wrap my hair up in like a little clamp or bun until the end of my shower, and then take my shower. And then y'all need to check out my next video to see how I style my wash and go. Thanks for watching, guys.